Hello and welcome to another Mr. Beast Bite video, and this one's a little bit different insofar as we are looking at a Dell Chromebook 11 model 3120, and I've got a few of these to repair, and the issue with them all is that they've been wiped over with wipes, and the moisture has been allowed to sit on the keyboard, and invariably it's damaged the keyboard. Now, these are a little bit more daunting insofar as all of the circuitry is actually screwed to the Palmrest. So, yeah, but it's actually not that bad. So this is how I do it. So the first thing to do is to remove all the base screws. They're all the same length, so there's no problem there with getting them mixed up or having to put them in an order. So let's crack on. Okay, so the next thing is to get the back off, or the base, and I find using a pick does the trick. And once it gets started, a little bit tricky to just get it going. Once it gets started, it comes off fairly easily. It comes off easier if you're not doing it in front of a camera. Okay, so screws out the way. So the first thing to do is disconnect the battery, and I find the easiest way is to unscrew it from here. Two silver screws, leave those there for now, and unplug the battery. So next thing is unplug keyboard and trackpad. Now, the best way to carry on with this, I get the new assembly, which is this here, and I transfer things over. But you'll see how I do this, and it's actually not half as bad as it looks. So yeah, let's crack on. So there's a screw behind where the loom for the LCD goes. You don't have to unplug it. It transfers over, so that's good to know. So that's the power socket, which in true Dell fashion is a separate item, which is actually quite good. Okay, so everything's off. Notice I didn't unplug the Wi-Fi card, even though I have obviously removed it from the board. And I've just literally just folded it up. The speakers just push on via little rubber bushes onto these plastics. So I should be able to pull that away. And one thing that's worth noting as well, there is a heatsink for the little processor, and sometimes these come away and leave some residue on the chip itself. So just be aware of that. You want to take that off if that does happen. So, of course, my screws have got in the way. So, let's line this up. And the speakers, they actually have some cable management. So, some stickies, and make sure that runs underneath the ribbon for that side. I've got a hair there. There we go. So up here you've got the cable for the LCD, and that needs to go behind here. So just push that round, and then you've got to make sure that this bit of sealing tape around the socket goes on top of the hinge. You don't want to get that trapped. So again, just make sure the keyboard and trackpad ribbons are free and on the top, because that would be annoying. And what I am finding with these new, this one isn't so bad, some of the new Palmrests, the headphone socket cutout is not that good. So it's worth noting. I've managed to lose the screw again. So let's put a screw in for the power socket. And again, these are all the same type of screw. That has not gone in well. There's a little sort of positive click when that went into place, so that's good. I'm going to put this screw in first. So the hinge screws, you've got two here and two here, and it's one here and one below or underneath the tape for the connector there. Battery. So connect the battery and just get a blink from the LED down here. Oh, battery's flat. It's warned me. That's fine. That back on. Oh gosh. Right, so putting the bottom cover on is a simple matter of just clicking it back in. So, there we have it. Keyboard, lovely, and trackpad, and check for Wi-Fi. Big concern it says no networks. There we go. So it's finding lots of stuff. Super. So we are all good to go. So, oh, connectivity diagnostics. So yeah, so all done and dusted. It's not so straightforward as some, like the Asus Chromebooks. You just remove the Palmrest, put a new one on, you know, 2 connectors. But a bit more involved, but still not that bad. So don't be daunted if you do want to try and tackle one of these. It really isn't that bad. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in another video. And don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Really does help. And see you soon. Bye for now.